Here is another one of our Oracle AI agents that reads a supplier invoice from either an email inbox or a SharePoint location, identifies key fields, and then creates the invoice in Oracle. Once created, it also sends me a confirmation that the action is completed. Let's take an example. The invoice you see on the screen has supplier and customer information and then some key fields. The currency is CAD and the total amount is about 240K. I will drop this invoice to our SharePoint location. So we drop this. As soon as this invoice is dropped, the agent will identify that a new file has been placed in this location. It will read the key fields and then it will create the invoice in Oracle. Once the invoice is created, it will drop me a message on my Teams channel, OCR AI agent testing, that the invoice is created and it will send me the invoice number and the amount as well. It does this in about 30 seconds time, which is pulling the file from the SharePoint location, identifying key fields, and then creating the invoice. And as you see on my screen, I just got a message from the agent that an invoice for supplier Strata LLC has been created. This is the invoice number, which I will copy, and then there is the invoice amount of 240K. Let's see this invoice in Oracle now. Go to manage invoices. So if we see the invoice is generated in Oracle, it is generated for the invoice date that was mentioned on the invoice. The supplier is correct, Strata LLC, the amount is 240K and the currency is CAD as we had put on the invoice. So this functionality is very similar to Oracle's IDR functionality, intelligent document recognition. How we differentiated this agent was that this agent is fully customizable. If you want to add any custom attributes before creating the invoice, you can add those attributes. If you have any data validations or data transformation that you want to run on these key fields, the agent has the ability to do that as well. If you have any further questions on the agent, please reach out. In the coming days, we will share more demos of similar agents with you. Thank you.